Friends, now here we solve the remaining equation of miscellaneous exercise, chapter number 8. Question number 6. Find value of x square plus root x square minus 1 raised to 4 plus x square minus root of x square minus 1 raised to 4 using binomial theorem. We know that binomial expansion a plus b raised to n, nc0 a raised to n plus nc1 a raised to n minus 1 b raised to 1 up to last term ncn b raised to n. Same apply for these two terms. 4c0 first term a raised to 2 raised to 4 plus 4c1 first term a raised to 2 raised to 4 minus 1 and the second term root of x square minus 1 raised to 1 plus 4c2 reduce one power of a first term x square raised to 4 minus 2 and increase the one power of a second terms x square minus 1 raised to 2 plus 4c3 a raised to 2 raised to 4 minus 3 root of x square minus 1 raised to 3 plus last term 4c4 last term root of x square minus 1 raised to 4. Clear? Plus same applying for second term 4c0 a raised to 2 raised to 4. Here x square minus root of x square minus 1 terms given, that is x minus y. So we take alternate, first term plus, second term minus. 4c0 a raised to 2 raised to 4 minus 4c1 a raised to 4 minus 1 a raised to 2 raised to 4 minus 1 root of x square minus 1. Clear? Plus 4c2 x square raised to 4 minus 2 root of x square minus 1 raised to 2 minus 4c3 x square raised to 4 minus 3 and the second term x square minus 1 raised to 4 or 3 directly plus 4c here 4c0 1 2 3 and the last term 4c4 here root of x square minus 1 raised to 4. Clear? Now 4c1 x square raised to 4 minus 1 root of x square minus 1 and this term both have same value opposite side. Similarly third term 4c3 x square raised to 4 minus 3 root of x square minus 1 and minus 4c3 x square raised to 4 minus 3 root of x square minus 1 raised to 3. Both have a same value opposite side, so cancel. Now remaining terms becomes 2 times and parallel to this here we simplify this. 4c1 is equal to 4c0 is equal to 1 into a raised to 2 raised to 4, that is 8. Next term 4c2 is equal to 4 into 3 upon 2 into 1, that is becomes 6 into a raised to 4 minus 2 become 2, that is x square raised to 2. So x square raised to 2 becomes a raised to 4 into root of x square minus 1 raised to 2. Square root square cancel, we get x square minus 1. Clear? And last term plus 4c4 is equal to 1 into fourth power of a square root. Square root cancel, we get x square minus 1 raised to 2. Clear? Now simplify this. 2 into a raised to 8 plus 6 into a raised to 4, take inside. So a raised to 6 minus a raised to 4. You know that a raised to 4 into a raised to 2 is equal to a raised to 4 plus 2. That is a raised to 6 plus x square minus 1 raised to 2 becomes a raised to 4 minus 2 x square plus 1. Clear? So is equal to 6, take inside. So 2 a raised to 8 plus 6 a raised to 6 minus 6 a raised to 4 plus a raised to 4 minus 2 x square plus 1. So is equal to, now here terms, first a raised to 8, then a raised to 6, only one terms we have, a raised to 4, we have 2 terms, so minus 6 plus 1 becomes 5, a raised to 4 minus 2x square plus 1. Clear? Answer. Here a raised to 8, 6x square minus 5 a raised to 4 minus 2x square plus 1. Okay? So is equation. Now question number 7. Find an approximate value of 0.99 raised to 5 using first 3 terms of its expansion. Here 0.99 we change into nearest integer. Here nearest integer of this is 1. So 1 minus 0.01. Clear? Raised to 5. Now apply binomial expansion. We know that 5c 0 1 minus 5c 1 0.01 raised to 1 plus 5c 2 0.01 raised to 2. Here we want to get first 3 terms. So plus up to plus. So now simplify this. 5c is 0 is equal to 1 minus 5c 1 is equal to 5 into, here becomes a 0.1 upon or 0.01 plus 5c2 is equal to 5 into 4 upon 2 into 1, that becomes 10. So 10 into 0.01 raised to 2 becomes 0.12, then 0. Clear? Plus up to infinite. So is equal to, now simplify this. 1 minus 5 into this number becomes 0.05 plus 10 into this number becomes 0.000, then a decimal. 1. Okay. Now simplify this here. Here 10 into here 0.1, that becomes 1 2 here, then 1 more 0, that is here we get a 0. Clear? 1 2 there. So is equal to, now simplify this here. 1 plus this minus 0.5 is equal to, or subtract 0.05 from 1, we get a 5, here 9. Clear? 10 minus 5 becomes 5, 9 minus 0 become 9, and here become 0 plus 0.001. So is equal to, now take addition. Here we get 0.951. So this become approximate value of 0.99 raised to 5. Clear? Now question number 8. Find n if the ratio of fifth terms from the beginning to the fifth terms from the end in expansion of fourth root of 2 plus fourth root of 3 raised to n is root 6 ratio 1. Here ratio of fifth term from beginning and the fifth term from end in this expansion is equal to root 6 ratio 1 given. So first find the fifth term from beginning. Here T5 is equal to T4 plus 1 is equal to NC4 fourth root of 2 raised to n minus 4 and 1 upon fourth root of 3 raised to 4. Clear? And fifth terms from end is equal to T. Here total number of terms is equal to n plus 1. N plus 1. Total number of terms n plus 1. Now from end number of terms, this terms equal to minus 5 plus 1. Remember this here. So is equal to T, here not apply to bracket, n 1 plus 1 2 minus 5 become minus 3. So n minus 3 becomes a fifth term from end. So is equal to T n plus 1 minus 4. Okay. Now find this n plus 1 minus 4 term in this expansion. So T 1 take this side, n minus 4 plus 1. So is equal to here n minus 4 is equal to r. So NC r is equal to n minus 4 fourth root of 2 raised to n minus n plus 4. Subtract n minus 4 from n into 1 upon fourth root of 3 raised to n minus 4. Now ratio of these fifth terms from beginning and the fifth terms from end is equal to root 6 ratio 1 given. Therefore T5 upon T n minus 4 plus 1, that is n minus 3, is equal to root 6 upon 1. T5 is equal to, we have these terms. So NC4 fourth root of 2 raised to n minus 4 and 1 upon fourth root of 3 raised to 4 upon NC n minus 4 into fourth root of 2 raised to n minus n plus 4 becomes 4 into 1 upon fourth root of 3 raised to n minus 1 is equal to root 6 upon 1. Now here NC4, here NC n minus 4 given, so NC4 upon NC n minus 4 is equal to NC n minus n plus 4, that is becomes NC4. Okay, write this region. NCR is equal to NC n minus r. Apply same for these terms. Now 2 raised to 4 fourth root 1 by 4 raised to n minus 4 becomes 2 raised to n minus 4 upon 4. Clear? Upon same here, fourth root of 2 raised to 4 is equal to 2. Here 1 upon fourth root of 3 raised to 4 is equal to 3. And here 1 upon fourth root of 3 raised to n minus, here 4 given, so becomes 3 raised to n minus 4 upon 4 is equal to 6 raised to 1 by 2. Clear? Now simplify this. NC4 cancel, this becomes 2 raised to here 2 into 3, 6, 6 take this side, here 2 raised to n minus 4 upon 4, 3 raised to n minus 4 upon 4, both have same power, so 2 raised to n minus 4 upon 4, here simplify this, 2 into 3 raised to power, common power take outside, n minus 4 upon 4 is equal to 2 into 3, 6 into 6 raised to 1 by 2. Clear? So is equal to 3 to 6, therefore raised to n minus 4 upon 4 is equal to 6 raised to 1, 6 raised to 1 by 2 becomes 6 raised to 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. Here both have same base, so compare power, n minus 4 upon 4 is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore here 2 from both cancel, 2 take this side, so n minus 4 is equal to 3 to 6. Therefore 4 take this side, so n is equal to 10. So the value of n is equal to 10. Clear? Now question number 9. Expand using binomial theorem. 1 plus x upon 2 minus 2 upon x raised to 4. Here x not equal to 0 condition here. We know that binomial theorem, 1 plus x raised to n is equal to nc0 plus nc1 x plus nc2 x square plus up to plus infinite ncn x raised to n. Same apply for here. This 1 plus, say these two terms combinedly, say y. So 1 plus y raised to 4 is equal to 4c0 plus 4c1 into y raised to 1, that is a x by 2 minus 2 upon x raised to 1. Same apply for this here. So is equal to 4c0 1 plus 4c1 x upon 2 minus 2 upon x raised to 1 plus 4c2 x upon 2 minus 2 upon x raised to 2 plus 4c3 x upon 2 minus 2 upon x raised to 3 plus 4c4 x upon 2 minus 2 upon x raised to 4. Clear? Now simplify this. Here 4c0 is equal to 1 plus 4c1 is equal to 4 into x upon 2 minus 2 upon x plus 4c2 is equal to 4 into 3 upon 2, that is becomes a 6, into x upon 2 minus 2 upon x raised to 2 becomes x square upon 4 minus 2 into product of these to become 1, that is 2, plus square of last term 4 upon a x square, clear, plus 4c3 is equal to 4c1, that is a 4c3 is equal to, we know that 4 into 3 into 2 upon 3 into 2, 3 2 cancel, that is a 4, or a 4c4 minus 3, that is 4c1 is equal to 1, into x upon 2 minus 2 upon x raised to 3. Here we apply this, a minus b raised to 3 is equal to a raised to 3 minus b raised to 3 plus 3x square b, here minus 3x square b plus 3a big square, clear. So x upon 2 raised to 3, that is x raised to 3 upon 8 minus 2 raised to 3 8 upon x raised to 3 minus 3 x square upon 2 square is a 4 into 2 upon x, clear, plus 3 into x upon 2 into square of last term 4 upon x square, okay, plus 4c4 is equal to 1 into x upon 2 minus 2 upon x raised to 4 is equal to, here apply binomial theorem, 4c is 0, x upon 2 raised to 4 minus 4c1, x upon 2 raised to 4 minus 1, that is 3, into 2 upon x raised to 1 plus 4c2 x upon 2 raised to 2 and 2 upon x raised to, here 2, minus 4c3 x upon 2 raised to 4 minus 3, that is 1, and 2 upon x raised to 3 plus 4c4 last term 2 upon x raised to 4, clear. Now simplify this, 1 plus 4 take inside, so 4x upon 2, that is a 2x, minus 8 upon x plus a 6 x square upon 4, that it becomes a 3 upon 2 x square, minus 6 to 12 plus 6 to 24 upon x square plus 4 take inside, so x raised to 3 upon 2 minus, here 4x raised to 3 upon 8, that is x raised to 3 upon 2, minus 8 into 4, 32 upon x raised to 3 minus, here 4 cancel, 3 to 6, 6x square, okay, plus here 4 into 4, or 4 to 2 to 4, 3 to 6, 6 4 24, 24x upon x square, that is here 24 upon x, okay. Here 4 cancel, 3 to 6, x square upon x becomes here x only, clear. Now plus here becomes 4c0, that is 1, into x raised to 4 upon 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16, minus 4c1 is equal to 4, x raised to 3 upon 2 raised to 3, that is 8, into 2 upon x plus 4c2 is equal to 4 3 upon 2, that is becomes 6, x raised to 2 upon 2 square is a 4, into 2 square is a 4 upon x square, minus 4c3, that is 1, into x upon 2 raised to 3, that is 8 upon x raised to 3 plus 4c4 is 1 into 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16 upon x raised to 4. Here first simplify these all terms. 1 plus 2x minus 8 upon x plus 3 by 2 x square minus 12 24 upon x square plus 24 upon x square plus x raised to 3 upon 2 minus 32 upon x raised to 3 minus 6x plus 24 upon x plus x raised to 4 upon 16 minus here x raised to 3 upon x becomes x square. Here 4 to 8 it cancel, that is minus x square, plus here 4 cancel, x square cancel, that is plus 6 minus here x upon x raised to 3, that is x square, and 8 upon 2, that is 4. So minus 4 upon x square, clear, plus 16 upon x raised to 4. Okay, x raised to 4 minus 16 minus x square plus 6 minus here 4 upon x square, here 4 already given, here 4 to 8, 4 into 4 becomes 16. So here 16 upon x square minus given, so this becomes 16 upon x square plus 16 upon x raised to 4. Now simplify this here. We get first minus 12, 6 plus 1 7, minus 12 plus 7 becomes minus 5. Now term with x, 2x minus 6x become minus 4x, so here minus 4x. Now term with the square, 3 by 2x square and minus x square becomes minus here 1 by 2 x square plus, that is x square upon 2, clear. Now term with x raised to 3, x raised to 3 upon 2, only we have one term, so x raised to 3 upon 2. Now term with x raised to 4, only one term, so x raised to 4 upon 16, clear. Now term with 5 not given. Next here 1 upon x, term with 1 upon x minus 8 upon x, and next 24 upon x, then 16 here 24 minus 8 become 16 upon x. Okay, similarly term with 1 upon x square minus 16 upon x square and 24 upon x square, so becomes 8 upon x square, clear, minus here x raised to 3, 1 upon x raised to 3 minus 32 upon x raised to 3, only one terms now, minus 32 upon x raised to 3. Now term with 1 upon x raised to 4, so x raised to 4, that is 16 upon x raised to 4 plus 16 upon x raised to 4, clear. This is answer. Similarly solve question number 10 using binomial theorem. 3x square minus 2ax plus 3x square raised to 3. Now in next lecture we start a new chapter, sequence and a series. Okay, bye.